Inserting a checkbox in Excel doesn't have to be a daunting task. To get started, right-click anywhere on the ribbon, and select Customize the ribbon. You'll see a pop-up window appear, and all you have to do is tick the Developer box, and press OK. Now, click on the Developer tab, and select Insert. Click on the checkbox, and you'll notice the cursor changes into a plus sign, signifying that you can insert the checkbox wherever you need. Let's insert it here. You can see that the checkbox is surrounded by a fancy little frame, so it's easy to move it around, change the text, or get rid of it altogether. As first, let's change the text in the checkbox. Delete the preset text and write new text. In our example, we write yes. Click anywhere outside the checkbox, and that's it. Let's see how the checkbox works. Okay, this works perfectly well, but the area extends beyond the cell border, so let's move the checkbox to the right place. All you have to do is right-click on the checkbox, then click anywhere outside the pop-up window and drag it to the desired place in the cell. In this case, the area extends beyond the cell border, so let's change the size of the checkbox. If you're feeling a bit boxed in, don't worry, it's easy to adjust the size of the active area. Just use those nifty little circles to find the perfect size for your area. Once you've got it just right, you can copy the new checkbox for no option. All you have to do is right-click on the checkbox, select Copy, then right-click anywhere in the spreadsheet, and from the Paste options in the pop-up window choose Paste, and proceed exactly like in Yes checkbox. Change text, drag it into desired position and adjust the size. Now let's copy the checkboxes to the rest of the table rows by simply clicking and dragging the bottom right corner. Easy peasy, your very first Super Trooper questionnaire with checkboxes is ready.